Hey there, cycling enthusiasts. In this video, I will show the top 5 picks best e-bikes in 2024. Whether you're a commuter, a trailblazer, or just love the thrill of riding, these electric wonders are sure to elevate your biking experience to new heights. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest bikes reviews. So, let's jump right in. Starting off our list is the Schwinn Koston C Step Through. The Schwinn Koston C Step Through $1,000 strikes a great balance of quality and affordability. It's a step-through style electric bike perfect for daily use, casual riding, and commuting. After months of testing, we found it one of the best models in terms of simplicity, user interface, and budget. There is one computer and display unit mounted to the left handlebar, which allows riders to turn the e-bike on and off, view current and average speed, battery life, and throttle for assist up to 20 miles per hour. With this bike, you can use either the pedal assist or throttle assist. The battery charges via a standard AC charging cord. We found even after a long weekend of touring around the city, including a 10-mile ride down our tester's city bike path, there was still a charge left. The Koston C has a 35-mile range, according to Schwinn, but our guess is this would require using one of the lower assist levels and laying off the throttle. Aggressive joyriding would likely see the battery depleted after 25 miles. For $1,000, this electric bike offers the basics as well as a sturdy ride. The battery life, range, and integrated lighting are great. It even has frame lighting, which is a nifty feature absent in all our other test bikes and increases your ability to be noticed by motorists at night. The bike isn't as comfortable as some of the other e-bikes we tested, factoring in tires, budget suspension fork, and seat. If you're looking for something super high-tech or with more features for commuting, we recommend the Vado SL, ETCycles F1000, or Ride Radiant Carbon. Next up, we have the ETCycle F1000 electric fat tire bike. While the ETCycle F1000 $1,800 is a major investment, it's one of the less expensive options and one of the easiest to put together. The time between its arrival in a reasonably sized box and riding away on it was less than 2 minutes. The folding design is intuitive, click, click, and away you go. However, at 75 pounds, it's on the heavy side. You may need a friend to help hoist it into the back of a car. The power delivery is more aggressive than any other bike we tested, so be ready. It seems to jump into full power as soon as the sensor triggers the motor to start. It also stays on longer once you stop pedaling. This bike is tons of fun, but we'd hesitate to let inexperienced folks ride this bike as it can be a bit more intense for beginners than your standard e-bike. Beyond the ability to fold up and how quick and easy the setup was, we were also impressed with what kind of terrain the 4-inch tires could plow through. We rolled over 2 inches deep sand, rutted out gravel roads, and city roads with ease and comfort. It comes stock with a suspension fork and a suspension seat which adds a bit of bounce and intensifies the fast and loose feel of the ride. It's finished with nice leather hand grips and a rack on the rear and the front. The ETCycle F1000 is great for beach riding and people who aren't interested in getting a workout. It's more of a hybrid between a bike and a moped. However, for those looking for a beefier commuter or beach cruiser that can go over any terrain, this is a great option. Moving on to our third pick, the Engwe L20. The Engwe L20 is a step-through cargo bike with a ton of utility and an approachable price tag. At $1,000, the L20 is among the most capable cargo bikes in its price range. We've been riding it regularly for several months, and it continues to impress and perform without issue. With fat tires and a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, the L20 is ideal for mostly flat to moderately hilly terrain. It's a heavy bike, and it's not exactly built for steep climbs. However, for everyday commutes to the office or grocery store, it's a bona fide vehicle replacement. During testing, most of our rides on the L20 were 15 miles or less. In this range, the bike's battery never came close to full depletion. On a few occasions, we did push the bike in an attempt to verify Engwe's claimed range of 90 miles. Using mid-range pedal assist modes, we managed around 40 miles of maximum range during our testing. Most e-bikes don't live up to their manufacturer's range claims in practice, and the L20 is no different. All in all, the L20 is the perfect ride for casual cyclists looking for an affordable grocery getter or a joy rider. It comes with 2 well-built racks, which provide tons of storage space. Some of the drivetrain and gearing components are a little on the cheap side, but the overall build quality is reasonable relative to the bike's purpose and price tag. This bike would make a great gift for a short-distance commuter or retired family member. Our fourth pick is the Specialized Turbo Vado SL 4.0. The motto "Innovate or Die" has been guiding Specialized ship for the past 3 decades, so it's no wonder their e-bikes are some of the best, sleekest, and most inventive in the industry. Most commuter bikes are clunky, heavy, and cumbersome. The Vado SL 4.0 $3,500, however, is built to get on and go and then get off again and carry up and down stairs, get on a subway, and go again. Weighing in at a mere 33 pounds, it's one of the lightest e-commuters on the market. At first glance, it's hard to tell this is an e-bike, as everything is internal and streamlined. With a push of the button on the top tube, the bars light up and tell you how much power you have left. On the left handlebar, there is an up and down button that lets you scroll through the 3 different power modes: Eco, Sport, and Turbo mode. On the right, you can easily shift through 12 different gears. On the website, it says the Vado SL can go up to 28 miles per hour for 80 miles. While we didn't test this specifically, we rode it every day for an average of 8 miles and went between all of the modes depending on how fast we needed to get somewhere or how we were feeling that day. On a single charge, it lasted 5 days. Last but certainly not least, we have the Specialized Turbo Levo Alloy. If you're in the market for an EMTB, you can't do better than the Turbo Levo Alloy $5,800. It turns you into a mountain biking superhero while still demanding you develop mountain biking skills. It's both nimble and forgiving, plush and stable, and all-around fun. Just like the Vado, it has an incredibly natural ride feel but with way more power. The 90 Nm of torque makes short work of climbs even our world champion's legs can't conquer. Top-end features include a flip chip and headset spacers that create an adjustable geometry to suit your riding style, a premium dropper post, and the Mission Control app. The latter allows the rider to tune the power delivery as well as set a ride range, ensuring the bike will manage power for the entire distance and not leave you stranded with a heavy, powerless machine. Another noteworthy design element is the Turbo Levo's mixed wheel design with a 27.5 wheel in the back and a 29 up front. This innovative mismatch improves maneuverability and carving ability, though it does take some getting used to. If you love dirt and want to extend your range but don't want a gas-guzzling dirt bike, the Specialized Turbo Levo might be the best e-bike for you. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best e-bikes in 2024. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more biking content. Until next time, ride safe and ride on.